in relation to the seizure of 21 firearms, which includes 18 pistols and 3 rifles with 2,216 assorted ammunition and 51 magazines at the Universal Freight Handlers Limited on Friday, the 4th of March 2022, the police have taken into custody 2 males. These males are considered to be key players in the illegal importation of firearms.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification button. Now, this is an update. Got the last video I do, like, it never do good. So, but word to the people them for drop the right thing. These 2 guys, one of your Fitz Bailey just talked about. One reason why them get caught up, obviously they were being watched, or somebody tell upon them. Now, may I play the rest of the clip so you can hear it, but me I go on my speculation or my opinion of what happened to them. They were told on, but one of these guys, I should say both of them, they must don't have any sense. And you know why I say that? Because they were linking with the hottest set of criminal them right now, which is the ONEDON. One of them actually know a black man. You understand? Them know a black man. I mean, hear that from good source. So, my speculation of this situation is that them rat them out. Now, them youth here, me don't know what them a think about, because if me did I do certain things and black man them get cut like that and they are prisoner go through them thing there, me don't know why you die in the island after on live America. I do sorry, I collect machine and them thing that after on the sister on I deal with black man them and the man them gone to prison. Your sister enough informer in a group, information are dispersed at a rapid rate, and on still they are Jamaica I do them thing here. So my thing is, somebody in the ONEDON tell upon them, and how me know that? Like me say, me know say them know black man, me hear that from good source. But you see, the police them what them police them do, them say them a look for a girl. That them say no. But notice them find the girl and then them let her go. But it seemed like them did have them money already. You understand? Or I watch them constantly. And them get the girl just to confirm certain things. And then them let her go. And that's how this thing a go. The man them a work with ONEDON, black man dog, a joke thing. And them end up there at Jamaica and get caught up. People tell upon them, yo, may I make you watch the rest of this video. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification button. Countryman, I'm out. But yeah, them a work with ONEDON. That's why them get caught.
2 key players in illegal gun running have been charged by the police. 2 men, considered to be key players in the illegal importation of firearms, have been charged by the police. The men are 36-year-old Jermaine Baker, a chef of Sunrise, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and 42-year-old Durban Brown, a construction worker of Bronx, New York. The chef and construction worker have been charged with illegal importation of firearm and ammunition in connection with the seizure of 21 guns at a warehouse in West Kingston on Friday, March 4. Among the seizure were 3 rifles, 18 handguns, 2,216 rounds of ammunition and 51 magazines. In a statement on Monday, March 7, Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of the crime portfolio, Fitzbailey, revealed that the 2 men had been taken into custody. DCP Fitzbailey. The men were charged after being interviewed in the presence of their attorneys. A woman who was named as a person of interest in relation to the seizure turned herself into the police. She was questioned and released. Reports are a quantity of the weapons was first discovered in a warehouse on Marcus Garvey Drive on Monday, February 28. Following a full search of the shipments, the rest of the weapons were discovered the following Friday. It's understood that a small quantity of marijuana was also discovered. Both men are to appear before the gun court on Friday, March 18.